Okay, you're welcome to Science and the Fourth Dimension again. I am Oris, the ordinary teacher. Joseph Narejo, my name actually. My specialty is Maths and Physics. I teach the Cambridge, the YF class, here at Depwa International School of Excellence, right? Here in Liberia. Okay. We're going further on basic operation in mathematics. This is part 2A. We were through the introductory part in the last class. So subtraction is what we're going to do. Part 1 we did addition. Just try to take away, like you are seeing there, take away subtraction. So let's try these questions. You see, 1 is taken out of 4, 2 is taken out of 4, 2 is taken out of 3, 1 is taken out of 2, 3 is taken out of 4, like that. Just follow the process. The ones that are cancelled are taken out of the ones that are already there. So to get the right answer, you check the ones that are left after some of these struck out, or struck out rather. So let's see what you have gotten. The Barafa is trying to do this. What's left here is 2, the next is 1, this is 2 that is left after taking 1 out. 1 is left here, 1 is left here, and this one 2 is left after taking 1 out. Here you have 4 left after taking 2 out, you have 1 left, you have 5 left after taking 3 out of 8, and then you have 1 left after taking 1 and 2 out. That's the whole idea of subtraction. Subtraction is a takeaway. So you have 2 left there, you have 4 left, you have 3 left here, you have 5 left there, you have 3 left here, and then you have 6 left here. So basically the concept of what now subtraction is to take away. Alright? So you do these ones. I'm not doing these ones for you, try them by yourself. You see, the first one has been struck out. You do the rest by yourself. You just strike the rest out yourself and then put the values. I'm sure you're going to get it. I'm certain about that. Okay, let me try one more for you before we move on further. This one's here now. You have not been shown what was taken out, so I'm doing it to get that on the scratch. Okay, so let's see who's going to do this one for the class now. Okay, it's Leroy. Leroy is doing this today. So 2 out of that, we're going to get 5. You're picking options. 1 out of that, get 4. Take 4 out of 4, you get 0. You take 3 out of 8, you get 5. You take 1 out of 2, you get 1. You take 5 out of 9, you get 4. Okay, so let's see how you can apply this. Peniel, we are next to do this now. Peniel is doing this. We get 2, we get 0, we get 6, we get 2, we get 3, we get 7, we get 5, we get 2, we get 4, we get 7, we get 3, and then we get 1. Right? And as I will always say, you can go back and work now and be sure that you're getting this correctly. Okay, strategies for addition. This, what we're going to be doing now is going to help you to do mental addition for 2 values that are greater than 10. If you're adding 2 tens the sum is going to be greater than 10, this will help you, this strategy will help you pay attention to the details that follow. Make sure the smaller digit comes before the larger one. That's the first thing to know. The second thing to take particular note of is that you master what you must add to the first digit, to the first number to make it 10. You'll see that very soon. So I'm giving you 1 to 10 now. What do I add to 1 to make it 10? 2 to 1 to up to 10, just up to 9. What do you add? See the answers then I've been given. If you have not mastered this, you will have issues for what I'm going to be showing you next. You must know what to add to what now, to a digit to get 10. Thirdly, master what must be added to any digit to make them 6, 7, 8, or 9. For example, 6, 1 and 5 will give me 6, 2 and 4, 3 and 3 will give me 6. For 7, 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4 will give me 7. For 8, 1 and 7, 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 4 and 4 will give me 8. All these things you just have to know them. For 9, 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, 4 and 5. You add them all to get what now? To get 8. I'll get 9, sorry. So let's try this exercise from 1 to 5. It's 7 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 7 plus 8, and all that. So first, you realize that what now? The bigger digit comes before the small one. I have 7 plus 4. So I'll rearrange it to what now? To 4 plus what? Plus 7. That makes it, although this is challenging, but I want to master 7. So what do I add to 4 to make it 10? You check it there, 6. And what do I add to 6 to make it 7? Okay, see, 6. So what do I add to 6 to make it 7? Is 1. You see it up there now? is 1. Because 1 plus 6 is going to give you what? It's going to give you 7. This statement of this. Because the first two digits there, 4 and 6 will give you 10. So if you add 1, it becomes 11. You will see that in a moment. You have 4 and 6 will give you what? 10. So to just get your answer, that last value that you're having, just add it to 10. Make it 11. It's so straightforward. Alright? When you do this, you master it at a point. With just a snap on your finger, you get the answer. If you don't master this, don't go what now? Don't go further. Is that alright? Okay. So we're going to do it again. So here's what now. Here's what we just did now. You are adding what now? 6 to 4 to make it 10. You're adding 1 to 6 to make it what now? 7. So my answer is going to be what now? 10 plus 1, which is 11. Very easy. See this one here now. You're adding what now? 7 to 3 to make it what? 10. 7 to 3 to make it 10. And what are you adding to 7 to make it 9? You're adding 2. So my answer is going to be 12. It's just that easy. Because 3 plus 7 is already 10. And then 7 plus 2 is 9. That's the emphasis. So all this you can just master, and then addition comes what now? Very easily for you. 10 plus 2 is what? It's 12. If you are able to break the numbers down like this, your addition will just improve at a pace that will amaze you. Let's do everything over. Everything over. Well, 7 plus 4, 9 plus 3, and all that and all that. So see there now, right? What's the last digit there? 1. So my answer is 11. I already know that my answer is going to be 11. 10 plus 1 will give me 11. For the next one, I'm having 9 plus 3. If I rearrange, I'll get 3 plus 9. Then I'll get what now? 3 plus 7. That's what? That's 12. The last value there is 2. I'm adding to 7 to make it 9 and all that. See here now, it's going to be 15. It's that easy, right? As soon as you break it down, you can just tell the final answer. For this one, it's also going to be 15. The last value there is 5. I'm adding to 10. It's that straightforward. So here now what now? The last value is 3, so it's going to be 13. It's as easy as ABC. Just take your time and then understand it. And then with practice, you will get it easily. Okay, we're doing this faster now. Just do it until you can do it at this pace. You have not understood it. Alright? So my answer is 12. The moment I'm seeing that my answer is 12, it's 12. Right? So in this place, my answer is 15. Right? For this one, I'm seeing 5, then my answer is still what now? 15. Right? Here is going to be what now? I'm seeing 3 there. Okay, 3 there is going to be what now? 13. It's easy. And all these are necessary for what now? For mental mathematics. So you stop what now? Counting your toes and your fingers. Right? If you do this, you're not doing 1, 2, and then bringing all fingers and toes all over the place to do your addition. This is the final work now exercise for you. Try them and let's see how much you have learned so far. I'll see you in the next class. Right? Thank you.